Welcome to this episode of Market Kya Lagta Hai. Today is 29th of November, and what we are going to see is what is in store in market for the coming week, the week starting from 2nd of December. So let us try and understand what kind of trends that we have on our major indices, namely Nifty and Bank Nifty. Currently we have Bank Nifty in front of us, and while we are watching Bank Nifty, so it is beautifully defined by Sir Charles Dow. It's a great uptrend demarked by higher highs and higher lows, and we are currently in this uptrend which has started from 23rd of August. So on 23rd of August we found bottom in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and since then it has been a wonderful rally. So during this rally we could find a few targets, and now that one calculated move of uptrend has completed, and now we are set for a small correction, a small dip. And again, when we talk about a dip, it will be a boon, it will be an advantage for investors, traders, because for traders they can trade on both the side, both the directions. For investors, they can just wait for the dip to happen and take a fresh entry into their choicest stocks, you can say. So let us try and understand how this target was reached. So if we just take it from this bottom, week starting from 19th of August till this high, one day after Honorable Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman ji announced the SOAPs, and market zoomed up on 20th of October. So we found a target of 31,976, and market made a top of Bank Nifty made a top of 32,157, and after 32,157 today we could see some profit booking. So that can be seen on a daily chart, the profit booking that is happening right now. And we see that if we just consider this last leg of the rally, we can just apply a Fibonacci tool over here, and by means of Fibonacci tool we can actually identify the kind of retracement that is happening in Bank Nifty. So roughly we are expecting that this correction to go up till, let's say, 38.2%, and the level would be this. So this is the level wherein we are looking at a price of 30,412, 30,414. So let me just put coordinates over here, 30,414, and this should be the target for Bank Nifty, 30,414. Okay, now this is not going to happen in a week or so. It is going to take its own sweet time. Let us see how it is panning out. We are again going to meet on Friday, the coming Friday, so that let us take an observation how these targets are moving in what direction, and how this trades is, how the trade and the week is panning out. When we talk about Nifty, on the other hand, in Nifty we had a similar kind of a situation wherein we found the bottom on the same week as we found in Nifty, that the week started from 19th of August. The actual bottom was formed on 23rd of August. And as you can see here as well, if we apply Fibonacci tool, so Fibonacci, as per Fibonacci tool, the projected target that we can see, that is 11,989, and we made a high of 12,056. So again we got a clean ride from this low on 7th of October till yesterday. And if we just want to find where this retracement would end, or up till what level this retracement would be, we just simply apply this Fibonacci tool again from this top to the bottom. We get our 38% level, that is 11,753, and I see that this will be the level wherein we'll get this higher low, 11,753. Okay, so this is my target for Nifty, 11,753, and for Bank Nifty the target would be 30,414. Hope you enjoyed this small video, and do subscribe to our social channels. See you again on the coming Friday.